Now, dear students, we are now going to change the names of names and electrical type of pin number from pin number 29 to pin 56. In the previous video, we have changed the names and electrical type of pins from pin number 1 to pin number 28. So let's change the pin number 29. Click on the pin number 29, right click, go to properties or hit E. In both ways you will open up pin properties. So pin number 29 in the data sheet is A2. So right over here A2, and this is the input pin for this IC, and hit OK. Let's check pin number 30. Pin number 30 is output enable and is active low. Hit pin number 30 and hit E, and right over here output enable and it's input pin input, and hit OK. You see over here that pin number 30 in the symbol has a bar over it. It is active low. In order to draw bar over the name in the pin, you have to do this way. Use tilde, then this flower bracket, and write output enable, and in this way you can write a bar over the pin name. So this is input pin, and hit OK. Now it's the turn of pin number 31. Pin number 31 is IO2 underscore 4. Pin number 31, it's IO2 underscore 4, which means input output pin of bank 2. This is bidirectional pin number 31. Let me copy this so that I can use in other pins. IO2 underscore 4 is pin number 31 and is bidirectional. Hit OK. Now pin number 32 is IO2 5. Pin number 32, paste over here, IO2 underscore 5 and is bidirectional. Pin number 33 is IO2 underscore 6. IO2 underscore 6, pin number 33 and is bidirectional. Pin number 34 is VSS. Click on the hit E and is VSS, and it's not bidirectional, is power input pin. VSS pin number 34. Hit OK. Now it's done for pin number 35. Pin number 35 is IO2 pin 7. IO2 pin 7, pin number 35. Paste IO2 pin 7 and is bidirectional. OK. Pin number 36. Pin number 36 IO3 underscore 0. IO3 and 0, and it's bidirectional. Let me copy this. IO3 underscore 0, pin number 36, and pin number 37 is IO3 1. Pin number 37 is IO3 1 and is bidirectional. Hit OK. Pin number 38 is IO3 2. Pin number 38 is IO3 2 and is bidirectional. OK. Pin number 39 is VSS. Hit E and write on pin name VSS, and it is power input. VSS pin number 39 power input. Hit OK. Now it's done for pin 40. IO3 underscore 3. IO3 underscore 3 pin 40 bidirectional. Pin 40 and pin 41 is IO3 underscore 4. Pin 41 is IO3 underscore 4. Electrical type is bidirectional. Hit OK. Then 41, then it's 42 IO3 underscore 5. 42 is IO3 underscore 5 and is bidirectional. Hit OK. Pin number 43 is IO3 underscore 6. Pin number 43 is IO3 underscore 6 and is bidirectional. Hit OK. 43, then it's 44 IO3 underscore 7. IO3 underscore 7. IO3 and underscore 7, pin number 44, and it's bidirectional. Now it's done for pin number 45, which is IO4 pin 0. 45, its pin name is IO4 and pin number 0. Hit OK. 45, then it's 46. 46 it's VDD. Click over here, hit E, and 46 is the VDD, which is power input pin, and hit OK. Now it's 47. 47 is IO4 underscore 1. 47 is IO4 underscore 1 and is bidirectional. Hit OK. 47, then it's 48 IO4 underscore 2. IO4 underscore 2 and it's bidirectional. IO4 underscore 2. Hit OK. Now it's done for 49. Pin number 49 is IO4. Pin number 3. IO4 pin number 3 and bidirectional. Hit OK. Then it's 50 IO4 underscore 4. IO4 underscore 4. It's again bidirectional. Now it's done for pin number 51. 51 is VSS. Hit E in the properties, write VSS, and it's not bidirectional, it's power input, and hit OK. Now pin number 52. 52 is IO4 underscore 5. 52 IO4 underscore 5 and it's an IO which is bidirectional. 52, then it's 53. 53 is IO4 underscore 6. 53 is IO4 underscore 6 and it's bidirectional. Pin number 54. Now it's done for pin number 54, which is IO4 underscore 7. 54 is IO4 underscore 7 and is bidirectional. Now 55 is int there and with the bar, and let me show you. We have learned how to draw a bar over it. Enter tilde and this bracket, int, then this one, and it's an input. Let's choose this as input and hit OK. Then 56 is reset. Hit E and write it's again an active low, which means we have to draw a bar over it. Write tilde, and this way you can draw a bar over it. It is an input, and hit OK. Now dear students, we have named all the pins and have drawn the have also specified their direction. Now let's check at the end either we have done it correctly or is there any mistake or not. So let me check. One is one STA to SCL. So let's give a quick check. One STA to SCL. 345 is 0 1 2. 345 is 0 1 2. 6 is VSS. 7 8 9 10. 3 4 5 6. 7 8 9 10 is bank 0 pin 3 4 5 6. It's okay. 11 is VSS. 12 is 0 7 and we have 12 0 7. 13 14 15 16 17. 13 till 17 is 0 1 2 3 4. 13 14 15 16 17 is 0 1 2 3 4. Then VDD, we have a 18 pin VDD. Then 19 20 21 is 5 6 7. 19 20 21 is 5 6 7. 22 is 0. 23 is VSS. 24 is IO2 1 2 3 24. 25 26 is bank 2 pin 1 2 3. 24 5 6 bank 2 pin 1 2 3. 27 28 address 0 1. 29 is A2. 30 is output enable. 31 till 33 is bank 2 4 5 6. 34 is VSS. 35 till 38 is 2 bank 2 pin 7 and bank 3 0 1 2. Bank 2 pin 7 and 0 1 2. 39 VSS. 40 is IO3 underscore 3 and 41 42 43 44 is 4 5 6 7 pins of bank 3. Okay, these are good. 45 is IO4 underscore 0. 46 is VDD. 47 till 50 is bank 4 pin 1 to 4. 47 till VSS. Let me check. 51 is VSS. IO4. Okay, it's fine. 46 is VDD. IO4 underscore 0. And VDD 46 to 51 is IO4 pin 1 2 3. Yes, pin 50 is IO4. 51 is VSS. 52 to 54 is bank 4 5 6 7. Then 55 is int and reset. So yes, our all the pins are in accordance with the symbols provided in the data sheet. We have checked that all the pin numbers are matching with the pin names exactly the same as our in data sheet.